Hey there, it's Gabriel, product manager for Runner SaaS at GitLab, and today I want to give you a quick walkthrough of our direction page updates. Before going there, just a quick recall. Runner SaaS is the group that hosts all the GitLab runners for you on gitlab.com that you can use for any of your CI/CD workloads. So I'm gonna quickly share my screen and give you a quick walkthrough of our direction page. So before doing that, actually, I want to give you just one wrap up. We had a big release, 16.0, and we were super excited to release so many features. One of the biggest one is we have upsized and doubled in size all of our GitLab SaaS runners on Linux without increasing the cost factor. So we are super excited to see all of your pipelines run faster and for you to boost your productivity. On top of that, we've also finally released our GPU-enabled SaaS runners on Linux. Previously, it might have been a bit slow for data scientists to compute on GitLab runners. Now with GitLab-enabled runners, these workloads should be seamlessly supported using GitLab.com. And another feature we are super excited about, we have released Apple Silicon M1 runners on macOS, and we've already gotten great feedback from many of you migrating to the new runners. And many of you have reported our estimation of 3 times the performance compared to the previously hosted x86 64 macOS runners. So that's a change that we are super excited about to be faster and see faster pipeline executions. Now, jumping back to the direction page here, just want to wrap what's our current strategy and themes. There's 3 big product categories that we are providing. It's SaaS runners on Linux, Windows, and macOS. Now, macOS is on M1. And our 1-year plan is to release GPU-enabled runners, which we have completed in the last milestone, to add more powerful compute types for the SaaS runners on Linux. Part of that was to upsize, but adding on that in the next iteration, what we want to provide is XL and 2XL runners for you with 16 and 32 vCPUs. So that's going to be super exciting if you run or require more heavy compute. And on top of that, we are looking to transition our macOS and Windows runners from beta to general availability. What's next for us in the next 3 months? I already talked about the more powerful compute types, and on top of that, we are looking more focused on the macOS runners transitioning to GA, because we have just touched on them and are now working really hard to get the beta to a state where we can call it GA. One thing we are doing, for example, is releasing a new image update strategy where we can release images more regularly, but also add more pre-installed software so you can see less times installing any dependencies, as many of the required tools, such as Fastlane for macOS, are pre-installed in the latest versions. So that's something I think that will help many customers a lot. What are we currently working on? Exactly what I talked through. It's kind of the same point as just talked about. What have we recently completed? And that's the blog post I just showed you. We have recently just doubled our existing SaaS runners on Linux, released our GPU-enabled runners, and have transitioned our Apple Silicon M1 runners. Yeah, that's about it. What's not planned right now is SaaS runners on Windows. I expect for us to touch on them later this year and transition them into GA. We're currently not looking, unfortunately, into ARM-based SaaS runners on Linux. And another thing we're not actively working on, but working hard towards going there, is SaaS runners for GitLab self-managed and dedicated. That's about it. Thank you for listening and have a good day.